Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Playing Clash Royale on your Windows 11 PC offers a fantastic experience, letting you enjoy the game on a larger screen. We're going to walk through the simple steps to get this set up using a popular method for 2025. This process involves installing an Android emulator, which acts like a virtual phone on your computer. It's a very common and safe way to enjoy mobile games directly from your desktop. To get started, you'll need a good Android emulator, which essentially creates a virtual Android phone on your PC. Popular choices include BlueStacks 5, LD Player 9, and Nox Player. These are highly optimized for gaming and offer excellent stability and performance on Windows 11. They are free to download from their official websites, providing a seamless gateway to your favorite mobile games right on your desktop. Once you've chosen your emulator, head to its official website and download the installer file. For BlueStacks, for example, this file is typically small, around 1.3 MB, and it will then download the full application. Double-click the downloaded file and follow the clear on-screen instructions. The installation is quite straightforward, usually taking just a few minutes, depending on your internet speed and system specifications. After your emulator is successfully installed, open it up. You'll be prompted to log in with your Google account. This is essential to access the Google Play Store. Once logged in, open the Play Store app directly from the emulator's home screen. Use the search bar to find Clash Royale, then simply click the Install button to download and set up the game within the emulator. To get the best experience, head into the emulator settings. You can tweak graphics, resolution, and set FPS, perhaps aiming for 60 FPS if your PC allows. Also, consider setting up custom keybinds for your mouse and keyboard. This greatly improves control over your units and spells. Now you're ready to dive into the arenas, enjoying Clash Royale on a big screen with all the advantages of PC gaming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.